$2,000. That's what the seat up front costs on a long flight. Last month, a 71-year-old paid nothing for it, and the man beside her in a brand new suit paid full price. She didn't know somebody important. She knew one sentence, and she knew when to say it. Here's the truth almost nobody our age is told. In air travel today, the free upgrade is not dead. It just stopped going to the person who dresses nicest and started going to the person who knows the system. You don't need elite status. You don't need a mountain of miles. You need 8 small moves and the exact words for each one. Stay with me to number 1, because it's the one honest sentence that can move a traveler with a real medical need straight to the front. And most seniors never say it. Number 8. The fare that blocks you before you start. Here's something the booking screen won't warn you about. The cheapest ticket quietly locks you out of upgrades. It's called Basic Economy. On Delta and United, that bargain fare can't be upgraded at all. Not with money, not with miles, not even for their own frequent flyers. The computer skips you before a gate agent ever sees your name. And every major airline restricts it in some form. I'll be honest, it took me years to understand why my great deal never once cleared up front. Here's how it actually goes. 2 travelers, same flight, same cabin. One booked Basic Economy to save $40. The other booked plain Main Economy. Only the second one is even allowed onto the upgrade list. For someone our age, that $40 saving can cost you the one comfortable seat on a 6-hour flight. Your defense, book standard Main Economy, never Basic. Check the fare rules before you pay. On the airline app, look for whether your fare is upgrade eligible. Magic phrase, is this fare eligible for upgrades? And if not, what's the lowest fare that is? Book the wrong fare and the rest of this list can't help you. The next move is about timing, the exact window most people sleep through. Number 7, the upgrade window. Nobody watches. Most seniors check in, then wait at the gate hoping. By then, it's over. Airlines clear their upgrades on a schedule, and the good seats move days before boarding. Delta's list starts clearing around 5 days out. United and American open paid upgrade offers in that same stretch before the flight. Here's the part that surprises people. The seat up front is often cheapest right in that window, not at booking and not at the gate. A retired teacher I heard from checked her app 3 days before a trip to Phoenix. The front cabin offer had dropped to $79. She'd have paid 10 times that month's earlier. Your defense, set the airline app to send upgrade alerts. Check it once a day from 5 days out until the morning of your flight. Grab the offer when it dips. The price climbs again near departure. The next one is where you stop hoping and start naming your price. Number 6, bid smart, don't lowball. Here's a move that barely existed a decade ago. A growing number of airlines now let you bid or make an offer and for the seat up front. An email arrives a few days before your flight inviting you to name a price. I've watched this spread across airline after airline. It's the new normal now, but there's a trick to the number. The form shows you a little meter, weak, fair, strong. Sit down in the weak zone and you'll almost never clear. Nudge $1 or $2 into strong and you jump the quiet crowd, all offering the rock bottom minimum. A couple flying home to Ohio pushed their offer just past the middle mark. They wrote up front for about 1/5 of the sticker price. One honest note, these offers usually take a credit card, not miles. Your defense, watch for the make an offer email, then bid just into the strong range. Bid for one seat only if just one of you wants it. Skip the rock bottom minimum. That's the pile that never clears. The next one costs you almost nothing if you've been quietly earning miles for years. Number 5, the miles plus a little cash trick. This one genuinely surprises people. You don't need enough miles for a whole first-class ticket. You need a fraction, plus a small copay. Most airlines let you upgrade a paid economy ticket with miles and a modest fee instead of buying the front cabin outright. Here's the pattern I've seen for years. The same seat that's a fortune in cash is a bargain in miles plus copay. A retired couple I know books plain economy, then upgrades with miles they earned on everyday spending. They've sat up front on flights they'd never have paid full price for. For those of us who fly 2 or 3 times a year, those miles just sit there. This is what they're for. Your defense. Ask the airline to upgrade with miles on your existing ticket, not buy a new fare. Compare the copay to the cash price. It's usually a fraction. Use miles before they expire. Unused miles are lost money. Quick pause. If these exact words are helping you, there's a whole quiet playbook of them. Every phrase, perk, and refund the airlines hope you never learn to ask for, gathered in one place. It's the guide I wish someone had handed my own parents before a flight. The link is right below. Now stay with me. Number 1 is the sentence that does the most. Number 4. Borrow status you didn't know you had. Here's something airlines will not put in a press release. You can often get airline status without flying for it. It's called a status match. If you have standing with a hotel chain, a rental car brand, or another airline, many carriers will match it. And matched status jumps you up the upgrade list. I'll admit, I didn't believe this worked until I watched it happen. A retired nurse who had years of hotel points asked her airline to match her tier. 2 weeks later, she was clearing upgrades ahead of people who fly every single week. For travelers our age with decades of loyalty scattered across brands, this is real leverage sitting unused. Your defense: search your airline's name plus status match or status challenge. Send a screenshot of your hotel, car, or other airline tier. Magic phrase: I'd like to request a status match based on my current tier with another loyalty program. The next one is the quiet reason some people always seem to get picked. Number 3, the card that moves you up the list. Let me be straight with you about how the list really ranks. It isn't only about how often you fly anymore. The airlines have half become banks. Their co-branded credit card holders can rank higher on the upgrade list, sometimes as the tiebreaker over frequent flyers who don't carry the card. Here's the pattern, plain as day. Plain as day. 2 people wait for 1 open seat. One flies constantly but carries no card. The other flies twice a year and holds the airline's card. More and more, that second traveler edges ahead. For someone on a fixed income, a card with a fee sounds backward. But if you already put groceries and bills on a card, routing that same spending through the right one buys you a place near the top of the list. Your defense: match your card to the airline you fly most, not a random rewards card. Put your everyday spending on it, then pay it off in full each month. Never carry a balance chasing a seat. The interest erases the perk. The next one decides everything before you even pick a flight. Number 2. Fly the airline that still says yes. Here's the one most people never think about. Not every airline upgrades the same way. Some still hand free upgrades to their loyalty members when a seat opens. Others auction nearly every seat and give away almost nothing. I've watched this split widen year after year. 2 carriers, same route, same price, and only one has a real shot at moving you up front for free. Here's the honest part. Those free upgrades go to people in the airline's loyalty program, not strangers off the street. So the move is simple. Join the free program of the airline that still upgrades its members, then give that one airline most of your trips. A retired couple flying out of Denver did exactly that, picked the carrier known for still upgrading its members, signed up, and flew it. Same trip, same fare. First upgrade they'd had in years. Your defense? Join the free loyalty program of the airline you fly most. Favor the carrier known to still upgrade its members, even if it's a few dollars more. Loyalty to one airline beats scattering trips across 5. Stay with me. This last one is the reason I made the whole video. Number 1. The honest sentence for a real medical need. This is the one that matters most for travelers our age. Not a trick, a right. Under the Federal Air Carrier Access Act, airlines must accommodate a genuine disability or medical need with the seating you require. That doesn't mean first class. But when your documented need is room to move or extend a leg, and the only open seat that fits is up front, an honest early request can land you there at the airline's discretion. The key word is honest. You go to the desk early, calm before boarding. You explain the real need and you bring your doctor's note. A woman recovering from hip surgery did exactly this. Asked quietly, note in hand. The only seat with the legroom her surgeon required was in the front cabin. That's where they moved her. Your defense. Ask early at check-in or the gate, never after boarding. Bring a doctor's note describing the seating you need. Never fake a condition. It's dishonest, and it can get you removed from the flight. Magic phrase. I have a documented medical need, and I'd like to request seating where I can safely extend my leg. Here's my doctor's note. After a lifetime of flying, I can tell you the seat up front stopped being about luck a long time ago. It goes to the traveler our age who quietly knows the system. But there's something else the airlines hand out for free once you're on board, and almost nobody over 60 asks for a single one of them. It's on the screen right now. See you there.